Hello and welcome back to Buggleskelly Station, and welcome to all my new subscribers who joined after that ridiculous T-gauge diorama video. I appreciate it. Thanks for coming back if you have. Now it's been a while since we've had a new product announcement here at Buggleskelly Station, so I thought it was about time to release some new rolling stock to the range.
Excuse me?
Yes, Thomas?
When you say rolling stock, I hope you mean coaches. We don't want any more trucks around here. Oh, for f***.
Sorry about that. Thomas has promised to stay quiet for the rest of the video. But I am pleased to announce some new Railway Series inspired trucks, or wagons if you prefer. They will be available in early 2026 and they're live on the website now and available to pre-order. All of the three new designs are being produced by Daypole for us in both 00 and N gauge. I know TT120 modelers will be interested in some of these, so if you'd like to see any of these designs in TT120, please comment down below, because obviously I'll only do it if there's enough interest. So first up is this 7-plank NW coal wagon. It's a 12-ton wagon with a northwestern lettering on the side and the words "Return to Barrow-in-Furness." Unlike the previous wagons, I've decided to not number them so that you can apply your own decal numbers if you want to rake of a few different wagons. This was some feedback that I had from previous releases, and also we're not going to weather them because I know some of you didn't like the factory weathering, so we're going to go with a clean finish on all of these, which is fair enough. The 00 wagons have Daypole's updated couplings, and they're available in 00 and N gauge at £25 each.
You told me there'd be a special offer.
Yes, I'll get to that. The next wagon is a new version of a popular favourite. Our Awdry wagon sold out twice before in their brown livery, so I thought I'd try something different. In fact, it's a colour that I've not done in any other wagons yet. It's light blue, and I thought Thomas might even like it. Fair enough. This is the most detailed release yet, with a 2-colour print and all ironwork is blackened. And finally, the icing on the cake is the new Northwestern Gunpowder van.
Now that one looks like fun.
Yeah, maybe I'll keep this one away from Thomas. It's in all black with a white and red livery and a giant cross, so you know that it needs to be shunted carefully. Again, these have Daypole's new updated couplings, and they're available in 00 and N gauge. So that's the new wagon announcements. They're all due in early 2026, but we are taking pre-orders now, and I've actually put a special offer on the website. So for a limited time, you'll be able to get a bundle, which is all three designs, either 00 or N gauge, for just £66. So you save £9 compared to buying each one individually.
What about my friends in America?
Well, yes, we have some more good news. The website is now updated to allow us to ship to the USA again, so thank you to all my American friends and customers who waited really patiently while we couldn't ship out to you. Trump's tariffs will now be added at checkout. Nothing to do with me. So it does mean that there'll be no hidden costs for you to pay when they land in the USA. So thank you for watching, and thanks to my patrons whose names are somewhere on the screen now. These videos wouldn't be possible without you, so thank you again. And if you'd like to order your wagons, don't leave it too long because you'll miss out on that bundle offer. And if you want to keep up to date with things, please like and subscribe and share the video with your friends. So yeah, are you excited for the new wagons then, Thomas? Thanks for watching. Bye.